Hi boys and girls, today we're practicing adding our tens. So this is pretty simple. All we have to do is look at the groups of the bowling balls and then count how many there are and then just add a 0. So we have 1, 2, 3 groups of bowling pins. So then we put a 3 and a 0. So how many groups of bowling pins do we have on the next one? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we put a 4 and a 0. So next one says 40 plus 30. So I have 4 groups of bowling pins and then 5, 6, 7. So I make it 70. Next one, 3 plus 10. 30 plus 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. The next one has 0 plus 40. So anything plus 0 just stays the same, so it's just 40. The next one is 30 plus 30, so we can use our doubles strategy and think 6 and then just add the 0. 20 plus 40, if I have 2, and 4, if I count all those up, I have 6, and then put the 0. Last one, 4 plus 1. 40 plus 10 is 50. Very good. Now let's turn it over on the back side and we have subtraction. So I want you to use your number lines and count backwards. So start on 2, count back 1. The answer is 1. And remember, if I have 2 numbers that are neighbors on the number line, the answer is always 1. 7 minus 1, I just count back 1, and it's 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. 2 minus 1 we already did, that one's 1. And 7 and 6 are neighbors on the number line, so that answer is also 1. And 3 minus 1 is 2. All right, boys and girls, go ahead and finish the rest of these and turn it into your teacher.